All right, we have a package. In pretty nice condition. Indeed it does. I think it has a screen protector on it. Let's see if we get a free game. We do not. Let's see if we get a free SanDisk. We do not. Judging by the screws, it does not look. It does not look like it has been opened before. So let us do what we always do and inspect the HDMI port. I can't tell. I think it's okay. I think it's okay. We'll give it a little clean out just to be safe. So let us get our handy dandy current meter. And I need to find a USB cable. Alright, let us plug it in. And let's just hope it doesn't do 470 milliamps. 260. Oh, the screen's bad. I can see it. That sucks, dude. Alright. Well, now we know. It's kind of obvious, you know. I'm not sure I have another screen. I may. But I don't know for certain. It looks very clean. No water damage. So one thing we're going to do, we are going to disconnect the screen. See if we can get any type of good boot indication. Because a bad screen will prevent a Nintendo Switch from reading properly when you plug in a USB cable. Plug the battery when I did that, but that's all right. It'll be all right. So let's plug it in and see if we get a good indication of a reboot. Of course, the battery may be completely dead. Maybe I need to. Alright, let us disconnect this battery. Let us connect this battery. Plug this in. We've got So, oh, you know what? I wonder if the console's on. So we're getting charge current here. But when I flip it around, I don't get charge current. Oh yeah, I do. Okay, yeah, the console's on. All right, I just need to replace the screen. So, question is, I guess we have to strip this bad boy all the way down to its component parts. The screen, I think, is the goner. So let's see if we can get this tape back in here. I hate messing with screens. That's good enough. That is good enough. right, here we go. Well, let's plug her in. Hey, look at that battery logo. So we'll let it charge and see if it'll boot up and see what it looks like. And see if the touch thing works. Actually, you know what? We're not going to do that. We're just going to go ahead and all right, so we get Nintendo logo. Okay. So let's turn it off. So we will go ahead and connect the battery, the real battery, and just let it charge. Alright, so we'll let that charge and then we'll take a look at it when it's charged up some. Let's try these settings out and see if the audio, I'm still trying to figure out this audio. Alright, so it's all back together, man. So it is indeed very nice. Everything works on it. Wi-Fi connects to switch online. The only thing I see wrong with it is down here in the corner. This is that screen, like, I don't know, a million videos ago, that I pried off because I didn't know, or I was trying to get the battery out, and in the process alcohol I think got onto this screen. But yeah, it cleaned up really nice, man, and it's fully functional. There is no profit on this. I paid $50 for it plus $6 in shipping, so if I had to order a new screen, I wouldn't even be able to sell it for what I would have put in it. So but I'm thankful I had another screen, and so this is a really, really nice console. It's very nice indeed. Maybe I'll keep this one and add to my collection of Nintendo Switches that I'm too lazy to sell. So yeah, anyhow, this is an easy fix, so y'all be good.